Right friends, welcome back to Learning Space. This is revision class of 20, that means this is 20th session, and we are going to deliberate on important aspects with regard to India. Look at the first one, Agra-Lucknow Expressway. This is the country's longest expressway. This was inaugurated. This is in Uttar Pradesh. Then if you look further, these are into the news. Gahirmata Marine Sanctuary, Bhitarkanika National Park, then Rushikulya Beach. These are in the news. If you look at Gahirmata Marine Sanctuary as well as this Rushikulya Beach, these are the places where olive ridley turtles comes for nesting. And Bhitarkanika National Park, please don't forget, it is the second largest mangrove ecosystem in the country. So, if someone talks about this Gahirmata, Bhitarkanika, Rushikulya, these are in Odisha, and this Koringa Wildlife Sanctuary is also into the news. This is in Andhra Pradesh, and Hope Island, which is a part of Koringa Wildlife Sanctuary, is in the news because of dead olive ridley turtles which washed ashore. Then if you look at the next one, all of you are familiar with the three places, oil caverns, that means the storage of oil for emergencies. 3 oil caverns are coming up at Visakhapatnam, then Padur and Mangaluru towards west coast, Visakhapatnam towards east coast, and government decided to create 2 more oil caverns in Chandikol in Odisha and Bikaner in Rajasthan. So, please don't forget Visakhapatnam, Padur, Mangaluru, 3 oil caverns are coming up and 2 more are going to come up, Chandikol and Bikaner. Chandikol is in Odisha, Bikaner is in Rajasthan, please don't forget. Then Bundelkhand region, it is quite often in the news because of the reason that Ken-Betwa Link Canal project, which is affecting Panna Tiger Reserve, is going to benefit Bundelkhand region, and Bundelkhand region is situated in 2 states of Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Another important point is, important city Jhansi is situated in Bundelkhand region. Jhansi is in Uttar Pradesh, please don't forget. Then Hingoli district in Maharashtra, this is going to be the place for LIGO project. Please look into this slide, Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, basically to measure the gravitational waves. This is going to come up at a place called Aundh in Hingoli district of Maharashtra, and gravitational waves are produced when black holes collide and stars explode. And for the measurement of this gravitational waves, this LIGO project is going to come up in Hingoli district in Maharashtra. Right, please go through this. I have explained you previously number of times. So, these 2 LIGO observatories are in United States of America, Livingston, Louisiana, Hanford, Washington. Now, in India, this will come up in Hingoli district of Maharashtra. So, let us go ahead. When you look at LIGO India project, these 3 institutions are associated, please don't forget. Then, these projects are in the news. One is Ullar Barrage, then other one is Kishan Ganga project. These 2 are in Jammu and Kashmir. Ullar Barrage, that is also known as Tulbul Navigation Project. This is on river Jhelum in Jammu and Kashmir, and India abandoned it in 1980s. Now, there are plans to revise this Tulbul Navigation Project. So, from examination perspective, please don't forget on Jhelum river, this Ullar Barrage, and at the same time Kishan Ganga project. Kishan Ganga is tributary of Jhelum river. So, Kishan Ganga project is also coming up in Jammu and Kashmir. And when you look at Jammu and Kashmir, 2 more projects, please don't forget, on Chenab river, Ratle project, Baglihar project, So these two projects also please don't forget. Then if you go ahead, there is dispute between Goa and Karnataka with regard to Mahadayi river waters. Mahadayi river is known as Mandavi in Goa. Karnataka wants to divert water to benefit certain districts like Belagavi as well as Dharwad. Karnataka government wants to divert waters, but Goa is not agreeing to it. So the project name of Karnataka is Kalasabandhuri project. So Kalasabandhuri project, that is the project which intends to transfer some of the waters from Mahadayi or Mandavi river basin, and Goa is objecting to it. So please don't forget Karnataka when somebody is talking about Kalasabandhuri project. Then if you look at this, this is Kalasabandhuri canal project which is going to benefit Dharwad, Belagavi and some other districts in Karnataka. Then Majuli Island, this is in Assam. This was made island district recently. So this Majuli Island was declared as a district, and Assam Chief Minister represents from this assembly constituency Majuli, and this is the largest river island in the world. So please don't forget Majuli Island is in Assam. Then Nathpa Chakri project, this was visited by Nepal Prime Minister when he visited our country. So this is on Satluj river in Himachal Pradesh. Please don't forget this is Nathpa Chakri project. And if you go further, pod taxi project, India's first pod taxi project is going to come up in Gurugram in Haryana. Please look into this picture. This is personal rapid transport system. Personal rapid transport system, and this is being planned in 12.3 kilometers stretch in Gurugram, Haryana, right? Look into the next one. This is the Saurashtra region. When we are talking about Saurashtra, please don't forget Rajkot. And why I have taken Gujarat is this Saurashtra region is going to benefit because of Sauni Yojana project. So Sauni Yojana project is the project where the Narmada waters are going to be transferred through pipeline system to benefit Saurashtra region. Then Telangana Mission Kakatiya, then Mission Bhagiratha, these two projects don't forget. And I have taken this place Ramagundam. Ramagundam fertilizer plant is going to be revived. So if someone talks about Ramagundam, this is in Telangana. Similarly, Talcher fertilizer plant is going to be revived. This is in Odisha. So after Ramagundam as well as Talcher, please look at these three fertilizer plants towards the eastern part of the country. Gorakhpur, Barauni, Sindri. Sindri is in Jharkhand, Barauni is in Bihar, Gorakhpur is in Uttar Pradesh. These three fertilizer plants are also going to be revived. Then two more tiger reserves are coming up. This Orang Tiger Reserve in Assam, Kamlang Tiger Reserve in Arunachal Pradesh. So 49th and 50th are Orang Tiger Reserve and Kamlang Tiger Reserve. Orang is in Assam, Kamlang is in Arunachal Pradesh. Please go through this. Our national animal is tiger. Project Tiger was launched in 1973, and Kamlang Tiger Reserve, Arunachal Pradesh, is India's 50th tiger reserve, and Orang Tiger Reserve is India's 49th tiger reserve. These things don't forget. These are the locations of Rajaji Tiger Reserve and Corbett Tiger Reserve. Let us go ahead. If you look at the international boundaries, Wagha Atari border, Wagha is in Pakistan, Atari is in India. So Wagha Atari border is India-Pakistan border. Then Akhaura Agartala, this is the border between Tripura state of India and Bangladesh. Please don't forget Agartala Akhaura, that railway line is also coming up, going to be built by India. Then this Agartala to Sabroom rail line is going to be extended, and Feni river, that is border between Tripura state of India and Bangladesh, and the main goal is to access Chittagong port in Bangladesh. Then Petrapol-Benapole border, please don't forget. Petrapol is towards India, it is in West Bengal. Benapole is in Bangladesh. So these borders, please don't forget. Then these three were included in the World Heritage Sites, Capital Complex, Chandigarh. Then Kanchenjunga in Sikkim, Nalanda Mahavihara in Bihar. These three were included, and details of these three I am going to deliberate in the coming classes as questions and answers session. So these three things please don't forget. Then the next one is Akodhara. Akodhara is in Gujarat. It is the first digital village in the country, and it is developed with the help of ICICI Foundation. Then if you see Bhatinda in Punjab, here HPCL is establishing, in fact, foundation stone was laid recently for setting up of first second generation ethanol biorefinery. Second generation ethanol biorefinery. The advantage of second generation ethanol biorefinery is, here agricultural residue will be converted into ethanol. So it will be additional source of income to the farmers. Then second thing is the goal of achieving 10% ethanol blending in petrol can be achieved. So these two are important things, and this is second generation, most important. This is being established by Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited in Bhatinda in Punjab. And if you look at the difference between first generation and second generation, first generation is made from sugars and vegetable oils, then they can easily be extracted using conventional technology. But the second generation is very difficult. It is very hard to extract required fuel using conventional technology. So some additional efforts are required. So second generation ethanol extraction is obtaining ethanol from biomass, that means from woody crops, agricultural residues or waste. This is all about second generation and first generation, please don't forget. Then Changsari foundation stone was laid for All India Institute of Medical Sciences at Changsari in Assam. You may have a doubt why I have taken only this place when several aims are coming up across the country, because it is in northeastern part of the country. Then Ranchi, second IARI is coming up. Ranchi is in Jharkhand. Second Indian Agricultural Research Institute is coming up. First one is in Delhi, which is famously known as Pusa Institute. Second one Ranchi IARI. Third one is also coming up, that is in Assam, Gogamukh. So the third IARI is Gogamukh. Then Chanani Nashri Road Tunnel. It is on Jammu Srinagar National Highway. So NH44 between Jammu and Srinagar. So the Prime Minister dedicated to the nation India's longest road tunnel, that is a Chanani Nashri, around 9 kilometers long, right? So please look into this picture. This is a Chanani Nashri road tunnel. Then Changalpattu. Changalpattu is into the news. This is in Tamil Nadu because of the reason integrated vaccine complex in India is coming up there. So the complex will be the nodal center for research, manufacture and supply of vaccines at affordable prices. So vaccines will be manufactured at IVC, which is coming up at Changalpattu. And here please don't forget Gavi, Global Alliance for Vaccines and Immunization. This is public-private global health partnership. So if someone talks about Gavi, this Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation is behind this Gavi. So Global Alliance for Vaccines and Immunization. This is public-private global health partnership. Then another news is India is going to take up full membership of the International Vaccine Institute Governing Council. This International Vaccine Institute is situated in Seoul. So it is international non-profit organization for developing and introducing new and improved vaccines. Please differentiate between Gavi and at the same time International Vaccine Institute. This was established in 1997. This is international non-profit organization. This is established on the initiative of UNDP. Here annual contribution is $5 lakh to take full membership, right. So, this is established based on the initiative of UNDP. It is international non-profit organization. India is going to take up full membership, right. So, at the same time, don't forget Gavi also. This is public-private global health partnership. Then let us look at the next one. Chhatrapati Shivaji Memorial is coming up off the coast of Mumbai in Maharashtra, and this is going to be the world's tallest statue, budgeted around 3,600 crore rupees. Then Harike wetlands in Punjab, they are into the news. This Harike wetlands in Punjab are into the news because of the reason Punjab tourism started amphibious bus service. This amphibious bus service travels on land as well as water. And to look at Harike wetlands are the largest wetlands in northern part of the country, or you can say North India. And Harike wetlands along with Harike lake, they were formed after constructing dams across the confluence of Beas and Satluj rivers in 1953. Beas is the tributary of Satluj river, please don't forget. So, at the confluence of Beas and Satluj rivers, these dams were constructed and these wetlands were formed, Harike wetlands along with Harike lake, right. Then Jaitapur nuclear power plant location, this is in Maharashtra. Then Kamuti solar power plant, this is in Tamil Nadu, and this is the world's largest single location solar power plant, but it is going to be overtaken by Orvakal Ultra Mega Solar Park in Andhra Pradesh, or otherwise you can say Kurnool Ultra Mega Solar Park. Then Mahasthangarh in Bangladesh. For the year 2016-17, Mahasthangarh was declared as the cultural capital of SAARC. Please don't forget, cultural capital of SAARC, Mahasthangarh, Bangladesh. Then Neduvasal is the place in Tamil Nadu where agitations are going on against the proposed hydrocarbon exploration. So, Neduvasal is the place in Tamil Nadu. Then Himansh is the Glaciological Research Center which was established in Spiti Valley of Himachal Pradesh. Please don't forget, this was established by National Center for Antarctic and Ocean Research, Goa. And what is the purpose of Himansh? Himansh is situated at Spiti Valley at an altitude of 13,500 feet. And it will serve as the base for terrestrial laser scanners and unmanned aerial vehicles to digitize glacial movements, to look at glacial movements as well as snow cover. This Himansh is intended, right. Please look into this picture. Then Sri City, it can be a potential question because this Sri City in southern Andhra Pradesh, almost close to Tamil Nadu. This is industrial area and this is coming into the prominence just like Sri Perumbudur in Tamil Nadu. So, if someone talks about Sri Perumbudur industrial belt, that is in Tamil Nadu, this Sri City area, this is in Andhra Pradesh. Then, if you look at Kerala, these are into the news. This Vallarpadam is the International Container Transshipment Terminal, that is part of Cochin Port Trust. So, this Vallarpadam is part of Cochin Port Trust in Kerala, and Vizhinjam deep water port is coming. Vizhinjam port is coming up near Thiruvananthapuram, and this is the initiative of Kerala state government. So, Vallarpadam, Vizhinjam, these can be the potential questions in the examination, and NIM port is going to come up. This is in Tamil Nadu. These three are towards Arabian coast. Look into the next one. Vedaranyam is into the news Vedaranyam is in Tamil Nadu. This is into the news because it is home to world's first genetic garden of halophytes. MS Swaminathan Foundation established this world's first genetic garden for halophytes. What is meant by halophyte? Halophytes are salt tolerant and salt resistant plants, and this is the first of its kind garden in the world established by MS Swaminathan Research Foundation. It will have 1600 species of halophyte plants. You may have a doubt what is meant by halophyte. Halophytes are salt tolerant and salt resistant plants. They can thrive and complete their life cycle in areas of high salt concentrations. Globally, they constitute only 2% of the total terrestrial plant species, right? So, halophyte, world's first genetic garden of halophytes. This is coming up at Vedaranyam in Tamil Nadu. And if you go ahead, Manamadurai Rameswaram, I have already told you, this is the first green corridor where bio toilets are fitted in all the trains. Then Kovada, this is the proposed atomic power station which is going to come up. This is in Andhra Pradesh. Then world's tallest railway arch bridge is coming up over Chenab River in Jammu, providing rail connectivity to Kashmir. And if you see, it is 359 meters height, 35 meters higher than Eiffel Tower, right? And the world's longest and deepest rail tunnel was opened in Switzerland. This is 57-kilometer Gotthard base tunnel. It provides high-speed rail link under the Swiss Alps between North and Southern Europe, right? So, this is the longest rail tunnel. This is Gotthard base tunnel, 57 kilometers in Switzerland. Please don't forget. And this one, Kaladan, please don't forget. Kaladan is the potential question. This is the multimodal transport, both by sea, river, road, and it passes through Myanmar. Ultimately, we can reach Mizoram through Myanmar. This is Kaladan multimodal transit project, right? So, with this, let us conclude today's revision class, and please do join tomorrow. Have a nice day. Thank you.